All right, bloat.py, can you get the flag? Run this Python program in the same directory as this encrypted flag. All right, so let's get those. Bloat.flag.py. And flag.txt.enc.1. Okay, so Python bloat.flag.py, flag.txt1. I actually probably need to rename that. Because I had that from a different challenge. All right, so let's just try Python bloat.flag.py. Please enter the correct password. All right, let's see what we got there. Bloat flag.py. Oh my. All right, so we've got some really strange code here. So first thing it's going to do is it's going to read the flag file, right? So this is going to read the flag file, the encrypted flag file. I'm going to say arg432 is arg232, which is going to like return that collection of stuff. We do arg133 on arg432, and if we get some other stuff, so we could just say if we get arg423, we're going to print that out. arg444. So we read the flag. arg432 equals arg232. We do something with it. We call arg133, which asks a question. Where did it ask me for that? Where did it ask me for that password? Okay, I see. So in arg232, that's where it's going to ask me a question. So it asked me a question in arg232. In arg133, it checks my answer. So I can either try to get that answer right, or let's just try to get the answer right. That seems cleanest. So let's just print out what it's actually looking for. So happy chance seems to be the password at once. And then welcome back. Here was my flag. All right, so again, I just modified the code. I added something to print out what it was checking for in arg133 after it had asked for a password in arg232, and then I just used that password. Alternatively, I think I could have just commented out it's called arg133 where it checks the password, because then it wouldn't have done this exit and I would be fine.